Today's unboxing is actually an unbagging. It's the Growsland office chair wheels replacement. So it's a cheap, well, $30-ish, quick and easy update to the office chair you already have. So, I never know if they have any papers in here. Usually not. You have to print your own when you order. Hey, it fit in the mailbox today. So, because it's for office chairs, you get 5, one for each wheel. And look, they look like skateboard wheels. And they just snap into the chair you have already. Supposedly, this is the standard size. And the beauty of these big wheels is that it's safe for rugs and tile and hardwood floor, so you don't need that plastic mat or a rug underneath your office chair to protect the floor. Let me just put these on. So, off. Looks like it's the right size. On. That wasn't hard, was it? And let's do it for the remaining wheels. I would have liked them in different colors. This one looks like, they call it rubber, but I don't think there's such a thing as a clear rubber, so it's some sort of artificial rubber. Synthetic. Get to that one last. Geez, do I need a tool? Well, I have one. Not sure what tool I needed, so I took a hand selection. and not damaging the tile floor. So $30 from Amazon. I think I'll post a link. And thanks.